Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and welcome back to my channel. Today with a really special video. I challenged myself with something which I have never done before. I never even tried to draw like that before. This is really the first time ever. Today is the day when Tolg Art is trying to draw realistic, and this is the image I use as a reference. Super Buu. He looks absolutely badass in this image, so credits to the creator. Let me tell you that I really was scared trying this, but let me also tell you that I was so surprised by my own abilities. This drawing turned out way better than I have ever expected. But I talk too much here. Let's enjoy the video together. And do me a favor guys, watch the whole video with me. Check out the whole process of the drawing and see how it came to life. First time ever drawing realistic, let's go. So guys, we are at the end of the video and I have to say it again, I just love the result. I tried to watch some videos of realistic drawings here on YouTube, but almost all of them were drawn with colored pencils. I am so in love with the Copics that I have tried to draw realistic with them, and it worked. I will definitely try to draw more realistic artwork in the near future. That was so fun. Now it's your turn guys. If you enjoyed this video and if you liked the drawing, show me by thumb up the video. That would help my channel a lot. And also comment down below what you think of it and which character you wanna see next as a realistic drawing. And the most important, subscribe if you're new on my channel. Let's reach 300,000 subscribers as soon as possible. That would be so amazing. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I see you very soon. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.